Adaptive radiation. This topic is taken from the chapter of evolution. This is most easiest topic. Okay. So during the journey of Darwin, he observed amazing diversity of creatures. As Darwin was more interested in roaming and he wanted to give some conclusion, he had done lot of work. So let us understand. Okay. So during his journey, he observed many creatures. He observed small black birds, were later called as Darwin finches because he made lot of observations on them. So they were called as Darwin's finches. Okay, basically what happened? During his exploration of the Galapagos Islands, Darwin noticed that there were many varieties of finches in the same island. Basically, he observed that in a particular island in a geographical area there are same kind of birds which have adapted themselves. Okay, they are same kind of birds but they have adapted themselves. Okay, and they have changed their peak shape. Okay, they before they were this way but now they have become this way, something different peak shape. Why? What happened? What is the reason is the very obvious question. So now think yourself, what might be the reason behind the changing the peak shape of the finches? Okay, some have started eating leaves, some have started eating debris, some birds have started eating insects. So they have adapted themselves into the different kind. So this is the main reason why they have adapted the different peak shape, because they have started eating leaves, debris, birds have started eating insects. Okay, see here. They varied from normal seed-eating varieties to those that ate insects. So there are different kinds of birds which are evolved from the single ancestor, that is seed-eating bird. From a single ancestor, there are radiations. Okay, there are radiations into different directions. So the adaptive radiations has been taken place. Mainly they varied because normal seed-eating varieties to those that ate insects. Simple. Process of evolution starting from a single point and radiating in different directions is called as adaptive radiation. So basically you start from a single point and radiate in a different direction is mainly called as a adaptive radiation. From single ancestor they are radiated into the different directions. Okay, from one ancestor, single ancestor, they are radiated into different direction. Okay. Example for this is the evolution of the Australian marsupials from a single ancestor. Placental mammals also exhibit similarities to their corresponding marsupial. Example, placental wolf and the Tasmanian. After that, the second example we can take is Australian marsupials had a same case. Okay, from a single ancestor, different kind of Australian marsupials were formed from a single ancestor. Okay, even the placental mammals also exhibit similarities to their marsupial. Example is placental wolf and the Tasmanian wolf. They have the evolution taken place from a single ancestor. Okay, mammals in Australia, each of which appears similar for corresponding marsupials. Their example is placental wolf and the Tasmanian wolf. More than one adaptive radiation occurs in an isolated geographical area. The phenomena is called as convergent evolution. So in the geographical area, if there is more than one adaptive radiation occurring, then it is called as convergent evolution. Very simple. You can look at many examples in the textbook. They are really very easy.